Those incredible gadgets from sci-fi movies, I'm talking about holograms, self-driving cars and robot companions, they aren't just fiction anymore. Many of them are on the verge of becoming everyday reality. We're going to be diving into the astonishing science fiction technology that's closer than you imagine. From mind-reading devices to personal flying vehicles, see how today's breakthroughs are shaping a future that will blow your mind. You'll be amazed by how rapidly technology is advancing and gain a deeper appreciation for the innovations shaping our tomorrow. So sci-fi promised cars that can drive themselves. Well, what if that dream is now a tangible reality, changing our commutes in cities? Autonomous vehicles are no longer just movie props. Companies like Waymo and Cruise operate fully autonomous taxi services in some cities. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving beta are constantly evolving. These vehicles use sensors, cameras, radar, LiDAR, and AI to navigate. Widespread autonomous vehicles will revolutionize transportation, making roads safer and commutes more efficient. Remember AI assistants like Jarvis? What if intelligent conversational AI is now accessible to anyone? Advanced conversational AI and language models are here. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude can write, summarize, generate code, and hold human-like conversations. They learn from vast internet data. And these AI systems are changing how we interact with technology, making information more accessible and automating tasks. Holograms were a sci-fi staple. What if interactive 3D projections are now a developing technology? Volumetric displays and advanced holography are making progress. Companies are developing displays that project 3D images viewable from any angle without special glasses. Researchers are experimenting with light fields and acoustic levitation for tangible projections. These technologies will transform entertainment, medical imaging, and telepresence. Personal flying vehicles have long captured our imagination. What if bypassing traffic with your own air mobility device is on the horizon? Well, electrical vertical takeoff and landing aircraft are essentially flying cars or air taxis. Companies like Joby Aviation, Archer Aviation, and Lilium are testing prototypes for future commercial operations. They are quieter and more eco-friendly than helicopters. Electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft have the potential to revolutionize urban transportation, offering fast and efficient travel. Because who wants to be stuck in traffic all day? Biometric security in sci-fi ensured only authorized access. But what if identifying you is becoming so advanced, your body is the key? Advanced biometric authentication goes beyond fingerprints and facial recognition. Systems use behavioral biometrics like typing patterns, vein patterns, and heartbeat rhythms for continuous authentication. And some research explores unique brainwave patterns too. These technologies, they promise enhanced security for various applications, potentially making passwords obsolete. Remember augmented reality interfaces in Iron Man? What if that blend of digital data with the real world is becoming sophisticated and practical? Advanced augmented reality and wearables are rapidly improving. Devices like Apple Vision Pro and MetaQuest are blurring digital and physical lines. Future AR glasses aim to overlay digital info into your real view, such as navigation or product details. AR will transform how we interact with information, creating a more intuitive digital experience. Controlling machines with our minds seemed impossible. What if direct brain-computer communications is a rapidly evolving frontier? Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are making significant strides. Neuralink is developing implantable BCIs for paralyzed individuals to control computers with thoughts. Non-invasive BCIs are also used for controlling drones or meditation feedback. BCIs have the potential to revolutionize medicine and human-computer interaction. Sci-fi envisioned on-demand creation, like replicators. What if printing complex objects, from food to body parts, is advancing incredibly fast? Advanced additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, has matured dramatically. We can now 3D print houses, custom prosthetics, metal components, and biological tissues. Materials are now diverse and printers are more precise. This technology is disrupting manufacturing, healthcare, and construction, enabling rapid prototyping and mass customization. Which will be pretty cool because 3D printing houses will be very useful to those who need it. What if our world is becoming populated by intelligent machines that can move, interact, and perform tasks with human-like dexterity? Advanced robotics and automation are progressing rapidly. Boston Dynamics robots can perform parkour, industrial robots are more collaborative, and surgical robots assist in operations. Robots are improving in locomotion, manipulation, and decision making. Robotics is expanding beyond factories into homes, hospitals, and dangerous environments, augmenting human capabilities. Human augmentation seen in cyberpunk films is moving from fiction to reality. What if we can enhance our natural abilities? Human augmentation, or exoskeletons and prosthetics, is making significant progress. Exoskeletons help paralyzed individuals walk and assist workers with heavy lifting. Advanced prosthetic limbs, controlled by neural signals, offer dexterity and sensation. This field is blurring the lines between human and machine, offering opportunities for rehabilitation and expanding human potential. So from flying taxis to mind-controlled devices, the future is arriving faster than we think. These sci-fi technologies are the blueprints for our very near future.